Welcome to Deep Kiran Classes of Commerce and Expert Coaching with Guaranteed Success. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.
Today we'll be doing the third practical problem on death of a partner on page number 203. I'll read out the sum for you. Ram, Madhav and Keshav are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2 respectively. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2018 is as follows. Now balance sheet is given to you. See in the balance sheet liability side, general reserve 25,000, creditors 1 lakh, unpaid rent 25,000 and capital accounts Ram 1 lakh, Madhav 75,000, Keshav 50,000. Then asset side, goodwill 50,000, loose tools 50,000, debtors 1,50,000, livestock 1 lakh and cash 25,000. Total of your balance sheet is 3,75,000. Now Keshav died on 31st July 2018 and the following adjustments were agreed as per the partnership deed. See, first adjustment, creditors was increased by rupees 10,000. Okay, that means there is loss on revaluation. Now creditors are to be increased. Okay. Then goodwill is to be calculated at 2 years purchase of average profits of 5 years. Now 5 years profits are given to you, that is 90,000, 1 lakh, then 60,000, then 50,000. These are all profits and the last loss is given to you, okay, of 50,000. Keshav's share in it was to be given to him. Now fourth, loose tools and livestock was valued at 80,000 and 1,20,000. Loose tools, see how much loose tools are? 50,000. There is appreciation, okay, by 30,000 because it is given in the balance sheet 50,000. Now it is to be revalued at rupees 80,000. And livestock 1 lakh, so it is also revalued at 1,20,000. So there is appreciation on both the asset. Then RDD was maintained at rupees 10,000. So there is a depreciation or reduction in the value of an asset. So it will be written on profit and loss adjustment account debit side. Then commission of rupees 2,000 per month was payable to Keshav. Profit for 2018-19 was estimated at 45,000 and Keshav's share in it up to the date of his death was given to him. Prepare revaluation account and Keshav's capital account showing the amount payable to his executor. We will prepare profit and loss adjustment account and Keshav's capital account. First we are going to see the working. Okay. Now see. First working is calculation of goodwill. How it is to be valued on the purchase average profits. Now average profit, this is the formula. Average profit is equal to total profit upon number of years purchase. Now here 5 years profit is given 90,000 plus 1 lakh. It comes to 1,90,000 plus 60,000, 2,50,000 plus 50,000. How much it will be? 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs minus 50,000, it will come to 2,50,000 divided by 5 years. So average profit 2,50,000 upon 5 years. So it will come to rupees 50,000. Now goodwill is valued at 2 years purchase price. So average profit into number of years purchase. So goodwill 50,000 into 2, that will come to rupees 1 lakh. Now this is the total value of goodwill of the firm. Now Keshav's share of goodwill 1 lakh into what is his share? See, profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2. So 2 upon 10. So 1 lakh into 2 upon 10, that comes to rupees 20,000. This is the goodwill. Now Keshav was given a commission at the rate of 2,000 per month. He was alive for 4 months, that is April, May, June and July. On 31st July he died. So after 4 months, so 4 months commission will be 8,000. Now profit, estimated profit, last year's profit is 45,000. So we are going to estimate that this year also we are going to make 45,000 profit. So 45,000 into this year's profit, okay, that will come to 9,000. Is it clear to you? Okay, afterwards we will be preparing profit and loss adjustment account and Keshav's capital account. Now profit and loss adjustment account and Keshav's capital account is asked. We will first prepare profit and loss adjustment account. See, there is appreciation in loose tools and livestock. In the adjustment number 4 they have given. Okay, so there is appreciation by 30,000 in loose tools and livestock 20,000. There is increase in the liability, that is creditors. There is increase in creditors. So that means there is a expense, more of a expense on the firm. So to creditors by 10,000. Now on debtors RDD is to be maintained at rupees 10,000 they have said. So that also will be on the debit side. If you total up this side, it will come to 50,000 minus 20,000. Remaining is what? Revaluation profit, which will be distributed in their profit sharing ratio. Okay. Is it clear? 5:3:2. Now Keshav's capital account. His death has been there, and so we are going to prepare his account. By balance brought down as per the balance sheet, what was the value of capital? 50,000. His share in the general reserve was 5,000. Goodwill, we had done the working. We have done the working number 1. Okay, first only. So goodwill amounted to 20,000. Profit and loss suspense account also, last year's profit was how much? 45,000. Of this 2 upon 10 we had taken, so it has come to 9,000. His share, Keshav's share in current year's profit is rupees 9,000. And by commission, he was to receive commission of rupees 2,000 per month, and he was alive for 4 months, that is April to 31st July. Okay, April, May, June and July. So 4 months commission at the rate of 2,000, 8,000. Nothing, no drawings. He did not have any drawings, interest on drawings. Okay, so we will just add up this credit side. The value of credit side will be 92,000. Here to Keshav's executor account 92,000, we will balance it. Okay, capital account we will balance it 92,000, 92,000. Here we have completed sum number 3.